Welcome to the Mac Corner. We have some really great computers here. We have a 16-inch M1. It is only $2,099. It is in great condition, barely used. This is has also Apple Care until 2025. This is a great computer to buy. You can get it here at the Mac Corner. We have financing through Caffeine, and we have financing through Acima right down here. So come on to our website, apply for financing, and get approved and pick up this Mac. We have these other ones. We have 2019 15-inch. These are great computers, $14.99. We have a few of those. We have this $12.99 13-inch computer that is in 16 gig 500. We have some other 13-inch MacBook Pros, really nice computers, all running Monterey. And then we have here $499 MacBook Airs, and we have our newest 15-inch that just came in. It's not new, but it's a 2014 MacBook Pro 16 gig 256. It's going for $699. It's a really great deal. Over here we have some empty spots. We're getting a 27-inch Mac coming out real soon. It's going to be a great price, I think $599. It's a little bit older, late 13, but it will be a great machine to have. It has 32 gigs of RAM, 250 solid state hard drive, checked by us. Here's some really great 21-inch iMacs as well. Again, check out the financing options through Caffeine. This is, you could apply online, you could get $5,000 approval. And then here's Acima, and you could apply online for that as well. See which one works better for you, and come down to the Mac Corner and grab your products today. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Here you'll get more updates on laptops and desktops for Apple products. Plus, we're going to be providing tech tips.